Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I explain to you how to control your computer or laptop from your phone in a very easy and guaranteed way. This method is compatible with Windows and Mac operating systems, which is a useful feature for those who use multiple computers. The most straightforward method to control your Windows PC with an Android phone is using Google's Chrome Remote Desktop. It connects your computers through your email account and enables remote access through a mobile device. At first, open Chrome browser. You must be logged in with your Google account and type the link that appears in front of you. I will leave you the link in the video description box. After opening the link, navigate to Setup Remote Access and click on the small arrow icon to download the tool. This tool is responsible for how to remotely control your computer. And wait to download software on your computer. Then click on Accept and Install button. Then double-click the downloaded file to install the program on your computer. And wait for the tool to finish installing. Then, you will be asked to choose a name for this computer. Type here the name you want. Then, click on the next button to continue. In this step, you will be required to type a PIN code for this computer to allow remote access via a PIN code. Then click on the Start button. Thus, we have finished the first part of the computer. The second part is downloading the application on the phone. Open Google Play on your phone and type in the search box, Google Remote Desktop. Click the Install button and wait for the download and installation of the application to complete. Then click on Open button and then click on Opt in, and you will see the name of the computer that was created. This is because you are logged in from the phone with the same Google account. And enter the PIN code that we have created on the computer. You can choose not to ask again for the PIN code. Then click Connect. Thus, you can control your computer through your phone as you see in front of you. This method is very simple and safe at the same time. And through it, you can monitor the computer and finish your work remotely. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching. And I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.